Welcome to the BALTIPLAST Plastic Waste Management Platform, your guide to circularity and practical measures to reduce plastic waste. The BALTIPLAST project is all about finding smart, practical solutions to reduce single-use plastics. To guide your journey, we've created this platform where you can easily explore case studies, our inventory tool, training videos, and more. Tackle the issue of plastic waste through our educational kit containing tested solutions tailored to your needs. Learn about strategic soft and technical solutions that will support your way to plastic reduction. Get ahead on designing your plastic reduction strategy on a municipal level. Discover practical tools to support day-to-day environmental practices in municipalities. Explore targeted measures to reduce plastic use, whether you're a school, a business, or a public institution. Learn how to optimize post-consumer plastic sorting and take steps toward advancing your local recycling processes. And implement actionable steps at home toward a plastic-free everyday life. Visit the collection of resources we've created to deepen your knowledge, tailored to your needs and interests. Begin by registering on the platform. Provide your basic information and get ready to dive in, explore, and shape your future in a more sustainable and circular economy with less plastic. Start your journey today. The platform and project activities have been developed and financed within the Interreg Baltic Sea Region 2021 to 2027 programme, supporting the transition to climate-neutral societies and a circular economy.